Allah says in the Holy Book of Al-Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم, فاستبقوا الخيرات لعلكم تفلحون, and hasten towards good so that you become successful. Good ideas frequently come to us, but since we are slow to act upon them, they often fade away before we have a chance to practice them. The coming of a special occasion such as Ramadan or the Hajj or reading or hearing Islamic advice can all cause our hearts to soften and cause us to feel regret of our behavior and actions. We should take that opportunity right away. As soon as the road is hot, strike it. Don't put it off and say you will do it later when the circumstances are more favorable. Shaytan is intentionally delaying us as part of his scheme, tricks, and trials. Not now, but later he will tell us, you are still young, so there is yet time for a change. Enjoy the moment while you can, and when you become older, you will change. Allah wants us to act right away and move quickly in that direction. Life is unpredictable. While Allah protects us now and we are prosperous, healthy, and capable, things could change tomorrow because of illness, weakness, and inabilities that prevent us from performing such tasks we could have done with such ease. The right time to do the good deeds is right now.